Hello, my name is Brandan Davis. I'm a criminal defense lawyer based out of Overland Park, Kansas. In this video, I'm going to talk about the Interstate Compact System and when this will come into play. Now, the only time that you will ever be asking this question or watching this video is if a person has been convicted of a crime in one jurisdiction and they seek to serve out their probation sentence in another jurisdiction. For example, if you lived in California, you came to Kansas and got in trouble and got convicted of a crime and then wanted to return to California. Or if you were here in Kansas, you got convicted of a crime and then wanted to move to a different jurisdiction while you were already serving out your probation sentence. And this only applies whenever you're serving out probation. It doesn't involve actually serving custody time in another state or anything like that. It's only while you're on probation. So if you're in this situation, what you're going to do is after you've been sentenced, you're going to contact as part of your sentence or immediately after your sentence, you're going to contact the Interstate Compact office and you're going to try to get your probation transferred to your new state. Now there's a pretty rigid system in which you can utilize to try to move from jurisdiction to jurisdiction. It's all regulated in Interstate Compact. Usually the person that submits your paperwork as part of your home state agency is going to be pretty well versed on the rules and regulations affecting Interstate Compact and moving from jurisdiction, the one that you've been convicted in, to the one that you currently live in or want to serve out your probation sentence. When you're going into the Interstate Compact office and you're talking with the person that's going to submit your paperwork, you want to be as truthful and transparent as possible, answer all their questions, and be as polite as you possibly can be, because they have a lot of control over how your application gets submitted from state to state. Now, there's a pretty rigid framework that a person can follow to near guarantee that they're going to get transferred. And then there's a discretionary element to it as well. If a person doesn't fit within the exact guidelines of the Interstate Compact, they can always submit a discretionary application to be transferred basically on a voluntary basis to that new state, in which the new state doesn't have to take them but can accept them. If you have questions about the Interstate Compact, if you've been convicted of a crime, you're trying to work this out, feel free to contact my office for a free consultation.